In this course we will have a look at the roof layers, so we will check how to change the roof layer. So we prepare like a new roof detail and with top layers and bottom layers, so it's new in version 22.3 to set up some layers for under the roof and between the rafters, so like insulation. And then we will have a look how to fix something like this so that it's automatically that you get this detail, or that you will get like a detail like this, so yeah, that you just predefine it and then you can use it at all your projects. We will have a look how to change tiles really quickly, so if you want to have black tiles, then just bring them on, and I wish you a lot of fun.